Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a lemon bundt cake. We make this for Easter. I want to say hi. Say hello. We make this for Easter every year, so I really hope you guys give it a try. For the full recipe, you can head over to my website. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do that now. And yeah, say bye. Can you say bye? Can you say goodbye? All right, guys. Bye. See you later.